This is Classical Historians U.S. Presidents Go Fish Game. And each game comes with a little booklet that explains how to play the different games and also has a paragraph that tells you kind of everything a junior high student, high school student needs to know about these particular presidents. The card game, when you open it up, comes with all the cards and a little wrapping nicely for you. And what we've done here is we've placed them out here on our table so you can get a good look at them. We start with category 1, which is Founding Fathers. Category 2, Founding Father to Democrats. Category 3, Westward Expansion. Category 4, Slavery and the Civil War. Category 5, Reconstruction. Category 6, Industrial Revolution. Category 7, The Age of Progressive Reform. Category 8, Roaring Twenties, Depression, and World War II. Category 9, Cold War and Civil Rights. Category 10, Disunity and Rebirth. Category 11, The 90s and the New Millennium. And Category 12, Important Presidential Actions. Once again, it's our U.S. Presidents Go Fish Game.